In this video, you will learn how to permanently delete your Facebook account. So hey, I'm Sam and welcome to our channel How to Guided. If you want to permanently delete your Facebook account, you have to follow this video. But before starting the video, make sure to like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you can never miss any update in the future. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Facebook application. I have opened my Facebook application. Now I will click on the profile icon which is on the top right side of the page under the search and messenger icon. So I will scroll down this page and I will click on the settings and privacy. So now I will click on the settings, and now all the settings are loaded. Now I will scroll down this page a bit, and you can see that access and control is written on the last option. So I have to click on it, and now I have clicked on it, and now you can see that there is only one option which says that deactivation and deletion. You have to click on it, and now you can see that on the first number deactivate account is present, and on the second option delete account is written, and you can pursue this to permanently delete your Facebook account. So if you want to delete your account permanently, you just have to click on the delete account and continue to account deletion under this on the blue bar. So you will click on it and you will be required to enter your Facebook password again, and they will verify it, and then your Facebook account will be deleted permanently. So choose this option wisely if you want to permanently delete your Facebook account. So this is the simple process of deleting permanently your Facebook account. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you can never miss any update in the future. And if you have any confusions in your mind, you can ask them in the comment section below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.